Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm hanging out with my sister Mo.
Hey everybody.
She is amazing, and also if you are new to my channel, my sister is very pregnant. This little baby bump over here is about 9 months. And this video is going to be very, very special because today we're going to reveal the name of Mo's baby.
To do that, we're going to make the Waddle Baby Bee Pinata cookies from the new Baking All Year Round cookbook. But instead of the gender being inside that you reveal when you open them, I'm going to put letters from his name in there, and then you'll have to figure them out.
She is making us work for this name, and I was like, Mo, you better not be toying with us, because I did a baby name reveal cake with Miranda Sings, and she just put the letters baby name, like it's spelled baby name. She's like, yeah, the baby name's inside the cake. And then we did it and it just said baby name. So you bet, are you doing this for real?
You'll have to find out. There's one way to find out.
No, okay. What's really special is that we have baked and made so many cute little recipes celebrating your pregnancy from this book. Like we made the gender reveal ombre cake. Yeah. And we learned little baby Bump is a baby boy. I have a little nephew in there. And for Mo's baby shower, we made ready to pop caramel popcorn.
So good.
And now today, I'll show you, we're making these ones like Mo said. We're making the Waddle Baby Bee. You can fill them with different colored candies in a pinata cookie to reveal like gender, but today Mo's gonna stuff them with letters that she's made.
The letters of his name in there.
And I have to spell it.
And you'll have to figure it out.
Well, I know it's a boy name. Is it a family name?
You'll have to find out.
Is it our family name?
You'll have to find out.
Is it your hubby's family name?
Maybe.
Look at her, just ironclad. You can't get any info out of her.
Nope.
All right, we better get to baking so I can learn this baby's name.
Yep.
I'm so excited!
Let's get started.
So the first step to making this cream cheese sugar cookie recipe is going to be mixing together our dry ingredients. Mo, in front of you, what do you got over there?
I've got some flour, salt, and baking powder.
That's right.
And so we just take the salt and baking powder and
whisk till everything's evenly combined. Also, I'm going to be posting all of the ingredients that you see here in the description below and their measurements, so check it out in the description. Once you're done whisking together your dry ingredients, you're going to come over here and in a large mixing bowl, cream together your butter, sugar, and cream cheese.
They're cream cheese sugar cookies.
So it makes it a little bit different. So just scoop in your butter, pour in the sugar, and the cream cheese. Then using an electric hand mixer, we're gonna mix this together for about 3 minutes until it gets light and fluffy. Now we're gonna add our eggs one at a time. So we have 1 full egg and then 1 yolk. The additional yolk makes the cookie more rich and chewier.
Perfect.
So we'll mix them in one at a time, starting with the whole egg, adding the second egg, just the yolk, and mix it up again. Is it an uncle's name?
No, it's not an uncle's name. I'll give you that.
Oh!
Not an uncle's.
Molly's spilling the beans. Just told me it's not an uncle's name. You guys don't know how big our family is. We have a huge family, so Molly said it's not one of my uncle's names.
It's not one of our uncles.
That's so many names have just been eliminated.
Yeah.
Oh, Molly, but there's some cute ones in there.
There are.
There's some cute ones. There's also some not so cute ones. This is delicious. I mean, this is so rich. This is just like frosting. Oh, smell that.
I could just eat that.
Let's mix in our last ingredient, vanilla extract. Here we go.
Another delicious smell. So we have our wet ingredients, we have our dry ingredients, and what do we do now?
We combine them together. Slowly pour in here and all mix. See, this is where baking with somebody is so handy. It's amazing. Holding the bowl is gonna build the strength for your mom arms.
Gonna start my mom arms?
Yeah, you gotta start your mom arm strength because you're gonna be holding baby.
A lot.
So holding this little bowl is gonna help.
Okay.
As you just found out, baby's a good weight.
Yeah, he's a good weight.
He's happy, he's healthy, he's a good weight.
He has two.
His name is...
You'll find out.
Dang it!
You have to guess it.
Oh, dang it! Our cookie dough is ready. we're gonna use our hands and roll it into a big disc, and we're gonna stick it right here. I just have a little baking sheet. This is the one from my baking line. You can use any one you want.
So fancy.
And it's covered in a food-safe plastic wrap, and we're gonna wrap it up tight.
Okay.
All right, so get your hands in there, Mo. Isn't this so soft?
Smells good. It feels good.
The cream cheese cookie dough is like, it's just creamy. It's like ice cream dough. Yeah, Mo. Here, I'll move this bowl. Get out of the way.
Wait, no.
Oh, you need more. Molly's food radar is like
Don't
100, okay? We went shopping the other day. She goes, I really want Wetzel's pretzels. And I was like, well, where is it? She was like, it's that way. You got like hypersensitive pregnant nostrils or something. Molly, this is a huge disc. It's supposed to be a little smaller than this.
It's fine.
Okay, let me just make it a little more condensed here.
It'll chill quickly.
I don't know if that's true. Now we just wrap it up tight like this. Boop, 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 boop. We're gonna pop this dough in the refrigerator for an hour to chill. We just took the dough out of the fridge. This is not all of the dough. We just rolled out about 1/4 of the dough. This recipe makes about 14 cookies, but we're working in smaller portions just to make it easier for sister. Whew, I'm thinking of you.
Thank you for that.
Okay, just roll out your dough to be about 1/4 inch thick. And then you're gonna take this cute little duck. Isn't he cute?
He's pretty cute.
Take this little duck cookie cutter. And remember, every pinata cookie, you need 3.
3 cookies.
Because you have a top, like an empty middle hollow layer, and then a bottom.
All right.
It's like a little cookie sandwich.
Cool.
All right, so Mo, go ahead.
Here we go.
I'll have you try to cut out 6 so we can get 2 on here. Also, this dough is a little softer because it's got the cream cheese.
6.
Perfect. Nice job, Mo. All right, so let's take off this excess cookie dough.
Then you eat it.
Yeah, and then hand it over here.
Oh, okay.
I'll re-roll it, and we can make some more cookies. Yeah, just take all this out. And then remember, to 2 of them, we need kind of a hollowed. So using a small, sharp cutting knife, be careful, don't get your fingers. We're gonna cut out the middle. I love pinata cookies and cakes because you can fill them with any candies or anything that you can think of. Just place them here over on the baking sheet.
Now that our cookies are all cut out, we're gonna freeze them for about 15 minutes. This will help them hold their shape because it's kind of a softer dough.
And then you're gonna heat your oven to 350 and bake them for about 10 minutes. Once the cookies have baked, give them plenty of time to cool, and then it's time for my favorite part. It is time to decorate.
Perfect.
So in front of us, we have the top of the cookie, the middle of the cookie, which makes it the pinata, and the bottom of the cookie. So we're just gonna be icing and decorating the top of the cookie. So just worry about these 3 right now.
Over here we have our royal icing. We have yellow, orange, white, and black. We're gonna take our yellow royal icing and we're gonna outline the top of our ducks, leaving the beak unfrosted.
People always ask me, Mo, like, what is our accent? And I'm like, I don't know. It's really weird.
It's kind of like northern Minnesotan /
Seattle. Which Seattle sounds kind of Canadian because we're sisters. I mean, we're just right next to the border, so it's pretty close. And then also a little southern. And
I
then
did pick up a little bit.
If we're angry, we roll those R's like the Italians. So it's just the weirdest accent.
Don't you know?
Don't you know now? Oh, don't you know now? The other day I said something and Mike made fun of me. I said like, oh shoot, like,
oh darn it.
I was like, oh
gosh darn
oh shoot, and he goes, oh. So once you get your outline, we're just gonna let it set for a couple minutes. It sets pretty quickly, or you can just fill it in, but we're just gonna let it set for a few minutes and then we're gonna flood these cookies. If you don't know what flooding in, it just means filling in the top with frosting like this. So I just like to use a zigzag motion, but you just fill in the whole top of the cookie. And if you have these little spaces, you can use a toothpick to push the icing around to smooth it out. Or you can use the tip of your frosting, whatever you want to do. Do this to the rest of your cookies. I'm literally still trying to guess what his name is. What do you guys think it is? Is it a masculine name? Or did you do a gender neutral name?
It is not our father's name.
It's not our dad's name.
It's not our dad's
Oh, we got another clue, everybody. My dad's name is Michael.
So
and I know, I'm also dating a Michael.
I don't know anybody in our family who has this name.
Our whole family? Everybody?
That I know of, at least, that I've heard of. There's a hint for you.
So is it a name in your hubby's family? Family name? Or is it brand new? Never been done? Whoa! Oh my gosh!
You're getting too distracted.
I'm sorry, I'm getting so distracted. Okay, I'll be patient. I'm almost there.
Okay, I'll give you another hint.
Okay, what?
It's not a known name in my hubby's family, but it follows a pattern of names.
So it's not a specific family name, but it follows a pattern of names.
Yeah. I don't know if that will help you at all.
Doesn't really help me at all. I'm not.
But that's a hint, but I don't know if it'll help you.
A pattern. Oh gosh, Molly, this is like puzzles and clues. Oh my god.
You're getting too deep into thought.
I am getting really deep into thought, and I'm not focused on decorating. And this last duck. Let me finish this poor little duck. Pattern of names?
Yeah.
Molly, this sounds like one of those murder mystery dinners. Okay, is it like your first initial, your hubby's middle initial, plus his dad's first initial, plus our dad's first initial? I got it.
It's a lot of thought.
I figured it out.
Maybe.
It's mine R, you is an M, dad's is an M, mom's a J. Great. Okay.
I know vowels, but you could put something together with
there
that.
are no vowels. It's just R, M, M, J, G, 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 C.
Uh-huh.
Okay, it's probably faster for us to finish these cookies because I don't even think this makes a name. Just let these set until they're hard to the touch. Could take up to an hour, depends on really what climate, what temperature it is.
But just thick let them set.
Yeah, how thick you pipe them. It could range. It could be 10 minutes or an hour, but this will give me plenty of time to keep guessing.
Yeah.
What is your name?
Now that our cookie icing has set, we
Yep.
are going to pipe on the wings and do the beak and the eyes.
And it's almost like you're gonna, if you were to complete it, it would be the letter D, but then you don't ever close it. You just leave it open.
Okay.
And then you just put a little line in the middle. Once you have piped the wings, move on to the beak. You're gonna grab the orange royal icing, and this is fitted with a number 2 tip. This I'm just gonna pipe the whole beak. So I just piped the beaks, and now we're gonna pipe the eyeballs. Where's Mo, you ask? Well, she just went to the bathroom. She's got the baby bump, so she's gotta pee like every 10 minutes. So just take your white royal icing, and we're gonna pipe an eyeball, and then a little dot with the black royal icing. Molly's taking a little bit, so I'm gonna finish decorating her cookies for her because I'm a good sister.
We have got the tops of the cookies all ready to go. Thank you for finishing my cookies.
Yeah, anytime. I got your back, Mo.
Perfect. And now we just have to assemble them.
So just take a little bit of icing. I'm gonna be using the yellow icing because I have a lot.
Okay.
And just pipe a little outline on the cookie that's gonna sit at the bottom. But while it's still wet, take this one, the center cookie that's hollowed out, and place it on top. Boop. Just like that. And then do this to the rest of your cookies.
All right. So now I have some alphabet sprinkles, and it's time to kick you out, and I'm gonna put the 7 letters of his name in each of the pinatas.
I have to leave
And then,
now?
yeah, and then I put the top of the cookie on to cover it up.
These are so cool, you guys. Look at like alphabet soup. These are alphabet sprinkles.
Yeah, they're so
Okay,
cute.
so I'm gonna let you fill the cookies with baby's name. I'm leaving for real.
You get to take a
See,
break
I'm
now.
going over here. I'm leaving the room.
Okay,
I'm
no
gonna go play
peeking.
with Cookie. I'm in the other room, everyone, but you can hear my audio because I still have my mic on. And this is the part where you can fill your pinata cookies with any types of candies that you got. And Mo's just doing the alphabet candies because we're turning this gender reveal cookie into a name reveal cookie. But you can fill your cookies right now with any type of candies that you love.
I have the 7 letters all separated now, and I'll put them in. And then I'll just use the yellow and pipe an outline around the middle.
Mo, are you done yet?
Almost.
Can I come back now?
No, not yet, not yet.
Well, I'll just let you know I'm ready to come back.
Not yet. Now I just need to finish the rest of the cookies.
Ta-da! Here are the Waddle Waddle Baby Bee Pinata cookies that we made today from my new cookbook. It is a delicious cream cheese sugar cookie recipe, and we made it with a twist. What's the twist, Molly?
It's Waddle Baby's name bee cookies.
Yes, instead of like Waddle the gender bee with the candies inside, it's a baby name reveal. I have to say a big thank you to all of you for suggesting a baby name reveal video. We didn't even think of doing that.
Yeah.
And then after you guys suggested it, we got so many suggestions to do something. We thought, let's do something fun and special. And this was Mo's idea.
Putting a little bit of a twist on something from the cookbook, and
this is just special
it's just
because
kind of fun.
I got to surprise you with the gender reveal cake, and now you're surprising me.
Are you ready?
I am ready. I'm
Okay,
very ready.
crack one open. Let's see.
Oh my gosh, here we go. Okay, let me move these. I don't want to bump these. I'm gonna eat these later. You move these out of the way. Just any one.
Anyone? He's great.
And just crack it open.
Crack it open.
Oh, let's shake it. Get all the letters out. I'm gonna move these over here.
Okay.
All right, let me figure this out.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is like a real puzzle.
Dun, dun, dun,
Okay.
dun, dun. Oh, and it's timed. Just kidding.
It's timed? Oh my gosh, this is a challenge. Molly, don't scare me. I was like, oh no.
It's time that I eat them all.
Is this a C or a G?
That's a G.
S? Maybe it's Sean? No.
N?
Senior.
Baby's name is not Senor.
Senior G.
Stop. That's not the name.
Synergy. Synergy. Synergy.
So the letters,
That's
in
different.
the name, the 7 letters in the name are SENORG and a Y. But Senorgy.
Okay, are you guys getting this? Because I'm not getting this.
Okay,
Is
so
this
you're
supposed to be
gonna
Italian?
have
It's
to, you're gonna have
It's
to
Italian.
rearrange it a little bit.
Okay, we'll rearrange it. Grown? Oh my gosh, I mean, Mo, how much?
Veronacy. Okay, I'll give you a hint.
Okay.
The first 2 letters are in the correct order.
A G and an R.
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm just thinking if hubby's name is Greg.
Hubby's name is Greg.
Wait. What? Oh, I got this. I got this. Yeah. Boom! Is that it?
That's it. That's
Oh my gosh, it's Grayson!
It's little Grayson.
You guys, look at these! Grayson, okay, so what's the pattern?
So the pattern is that Greg's dad's name starts with a G, his brother's name starts with a G, and his name starts with a G.
Oh, so it's all G's.
And
all
so-
the boys have the G's.
And so this little baby, he'll be the 3rd generation to start with a G as well.
Oh my gosh, that's so cute.
Yeah, and then we looked up the
little
meaning
Grayson.
of Grayson too, and it means
Yeah.
son of Gregory. So
Perfect.
it seemed like a perfect fit.
I love it, you guys. Hi, little Grayson. I'm so excited to meet you when you come out there. We're gonna have so much fun. We're gonna bake all the things. We're gonna have like your favorite like dinner nights and baking nights. Okay, this is one of the most fun and special videos I have ever made. Again, thank you so much, you guys, for suggesting we do this. This was amazing, and a big thank you to Mo for surprising me this time. This was so cute, Mo.
Yeah, this is such a fun idea.
It was so adorable.
really cute.
So please go show Mo some support. Go follow her. Her links are down below. She's got an Instagram.
I do.
Boom! And a Twitter.
And a Twitter.
She's not very active on that one. More active on the Instagram. Go to Instagram. Thanks again for watching. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video, because we are posting more and more like baking and lifestyle videos, and they're just so special to us, and we'd love you to come along with us on the journey. All right, bye-bye.
Bye.